Hello everybody, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today I am finally going to start on my Pieceful Baskets quilt. I'm going to start with block 1. It'll be this block right here. And the pattern is from the Sew Sampler subscription from Fat Quarter Shop. Now, you don't have to get the subscription in order to get the pattern. You can buy the pattern after it's been released for the subscription boxes. Because I didn't subscribe until block 4, but I was still able to buy patterns 1, 2, and 3 from the shop. They were $5 for the pattern each. And in fact, I should be getting block number 5 really soon. So I'm really behind. I'll do my best to catch up quickly. And these are the Nantucket Summer fabrics, which are a lot like the Shoreline fabrics, which are used for the Pieceful baskets. I do have a couple Shorelines, but I didn't use them in this one. And this is some white 108 fabric that I bought a long time ago, so I don't remember the name of it. It looks like a Wilmington though, but I can't be sure of that. So I will be using a white background and not an off-white background. And I've got all my pieces cut out, and so let's get over to the sewing machine. Okay, I've got my O fabric and my M fabric square, and my R and my O together. And I've marked my O. I took my 1/2-inch ruler, drew a line, and I will sew on those lines, cut in between, and then I will have 2 half-square triangles. You can also just draw a line from corner to corner and sew 1/4 inch on each side. So I'm just going to chain stitch these. Okay, now I just need to cut these apart, press them, and trim them, and I'll be right back. Okay, we have these units trimmed and pressed, and we are going to take our M, and these are mirror units. So we're going to take them like this. We're going to sew and then flip over, and we will have a combination unit. So you want to make sure this edge is 1/4 over, but you should just be able to line up these edges. And sew from line to line, and I'm going to mark those. Okay, let me make sure I've got these right. Okay, this one, stick over here with this here, which means I want this like this. This one, come over here. Okay, all right. So line those up and sew. Okay, now we'll press and trim. Okay, I have these. They're trimmed and pressed. And now we are going to put S and P together. Okay, I will get these pressed open. And then we are going to get B and I. There's B and I. Put those right sides together. And I'm going to try and use my sewing tape here instead of drawing a line. Okay. Oh, and I didn't put right sides together even after I said to do that. Okay, let me fix this and I'll be right back. Okay, this one is done. And I only made one of these and I was supposed to make two. And I made two of these and I only needed to make one. So I got that switched around. So read your directions carefully. Okay, let me get that pressed and trimmed. Okay, we're going to start putting the block together. We've got some of the units made, and we're adding H and G to finish out this square. And we're going to surround it with J and K and put those together. We'll put this together, then we will add this, then this. Okay, now we're going to take K and E and put it together, get C, L, and that other unit we made previously, and put them together in these orders. Right sides together. Okay, I had only made one of these. I was supposed to make two, so I made that. And we've got another set of strips here to go. Okay, and this is how the strips are going to go on. The ones with the half square triangle are going to go at the end with the whites facing out. And then these two, the white will come by the half square triangle. We're going to take A and F. I'm going to sew along this line, press it, trim off this extra. You know what? I think I'm going to sew another seam. Okay, so I will sew on both those lines, trim it. This will be saved for scrap, and then we're going to flip this one over and press it. Okay, I need to move that down a little bit. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, now we're going to finish this off kind of like a square and a square, and this is the middle square. So we're going to do opposite sides first. So we're going to pin this on so that okay, and we're going to press this open, and they'll need to be pressed open because the other pieces are going to overlap these corners. Okay, there it is. Block 1 of the Pieceful Baskets quilt. And then I've got these 2 scraps to use for something. So I want to thank you for joining me. I will catch up as quickly as I can. And thank you for watching. And I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.